What's up guys, I'm doing a firing test with all my nerf guns. So enjoy. First gun, the slash fire. Guys, slash fire. Let's go. Okay, let's go here. First start landed near 4 feet. Next in almost 5 feet 4. Next start landed in 7 feet. So that's better. Next gun, the retaliator. Shooting 3 Star Wars darts on the retaliator, 18 round stick match. I love it. What's so? Pretty close one. Okay. We have here the first dart landed at about 16 feet. Second about 16 feet 10, and the last dart landed at about 23 feet. Okay. Stop. 25 feet. I think I'm gonna have some top positions here, guys. Shooting 3 Star Wars darts because that's the only one I have. But a stronger. Did you guys see me there? Let's see. Okay, first dart landed in about 16 feet. Second dart landed in about 23 feet. Feet 2. The last dart landed in 23 feet 5. Well, so serious because strong arm slash fire retaliator. And actually, the retaliator got the longest. Actually, while I was out recording, this guy actually went past the 25 feet limit. It's like, I don't know how many feet is that. I think the strong arm got it, but in the video, nope. Next gun. Shooting 3 Star Wars darts out of the trash track. Blaster malfunctioning. Whoa. think we have a new winner. First dart landed about 6 feet. 6 feet. And the dart landed about near 25 feet, and yeah, this went over, I think, about maybe 40 feet. 40 feet. Last gun to go. Okay, last gun. Here's the jolt. Firing the jolt with 3 Star Wars darts. I think this is the new winner. Let's see this, boys. So the first dart was in here at about 27 feet. Next dart passed 35 feet. And the last dart is... I can't see the last dart. Where's the last dart? Where's the last dart? Can't see the last dart. It's white and it's green. How could I not see that? Oh, fuck, this actually answered. Green and actually bit me. Not again. Forget about the last dart. Ah! For the corner cuff, the jolt was the highest one. This is my smallest gun, and it has the highest amount, bro. So, bye guys, like and subscribe if you enjoy it, and please comment down below if you have suggestions. Any of your suggestions. Goodbye. Peace out.